What are you having there?
Just testing our skills of chess for the brain. Yeah, man.
So who's starting? Eric.
Maybe Eric can start. Yeah.
Arepas.
This is produced in Venezuela. This is from corn, white sweet corn, and it's just a flour.
This is from corn, yeah.
From sweet corn.
White sweet corn flour.
Yeah.
And we don't have first this here.
The other time, when you come with turmeric, you come with turmeric. Because the turmeric
Like these two white.
Is that
It's just to put the color.
just a bit of color to it? Which one
Yeah.
is
This is the
I think it's 1
nutritional
kg.
yeast. This
This one.
doesn't get nutritional yeast in there. I put turmeric, but we don't have it, so.
You need it.
The arepas are a Venezuelan dish that's is made with corn flour, and then we add different things depending on what we like. I like to use carrots and seeds, like a chia. You can put flax seeds. Turmeric to give a nice color, and we put some salt and olive oil, and that's it. It's very simple. Then we just mix everything, and then we put water until we get the consistency that is this one. This one is perfect, so we can get this in the hands, and we make a bowl. This is too big, of course, but it's just for demonstration. Well, depending, because some families like a big one, so we make a bowl like this, and then we take this in the hand and
Oh, that's so lovely.
this sound is like a family music in Venezuela. When we listen the mom doing this, is because we know we are going to eat arepas.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Tofu.
Yes?
Tofu with the peanut butter.
Which one are we doing?
No, this is miso.
Different types of food. I mean, there are varieties.
Variety.
Yeah, like every time come here, different types of food.
Okay.
This one is the chili one. We are going to
It's
put
okay.
this like this.
Yeah.
We don't need to open, of course. We can just like a half the whole and be cutting little piece of the arepa, and then if we do this also in Venezuela. We just take a little bit of this